Cync is making smart products even simpler, starting with the installation of our full-color light strips. Before you get started, make sure to measure the area where you are installing the light strip. Based on the length you need, you'll either have to trim or extend the strip. These light extensions are sold separately. If you're going to trim it, make sure the strip is not plugged into the wall when you cut. Only trim the strip in the marked areas, because if you cut elsewhere, you'll permanently damage the strip. To extend your light strip, remove the plastic covers from each end and align to ensure the extension is connected correctly. Last thing before you install, make sure you understand the bending options. Avoid placing the strip so that an LED light sits on a corner, and don't arrange it so that two strips connect on a bend. To bend it around a 90-degree angle, like a TV, you can either loop the light strip or use extenders. Beyond those precautions, you're ready to go. Just clean and dry the surface when you're installing the light strip. Make sure it's free of any oil contamination. Note that we also use a strong adhesive that may damage walls or painted surfaces if removed. Also, you should try to avoid reusing the adhesive. So if you need to move your light strip or reinstall after installation, you may want to consider a double-sided adhesive tape. Now just peel off the tape from the back of the light strip and stick it to the surface. Press and hold for at least 10 seconds until it firmly adheres. Repeat this process every 6 inches to ensure the entire length of the strip stays put. Then plug the light strip into the wall, download the Cync app, and add the light strip to the app. And there you have it, a fully customizable, full-color light strip. Thank you for making the switch to smarter lighting. Enjoy!